Pull on it. Ayah, say good morning. Say hi. Look. Psst. Hey. Say hi. Hi. Cheese. Cheese. Good morning. Hey. Ayah. Say thank you, God, for waking us up for another day. Thank you, God, for being there for us and giving us strength, health, happiness, love, and peace and protection. Say thank you. Ayah. Say thank you. Thank you, God. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Wave hi. Let me see. Say hi. Say hi. So, Ayah, the duck goes quack, 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 quack. And the geese goes honk, 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 honk. And the bird goes tweet, 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 tweet. What does the bear say? All right, say good morning. You're going to say hi? You're going to say bye? Say bye. Ayah, at least say bye. Can you say bye? Ayah, say bye. Wave hi. Say, who am I saying hi to? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? All right, come on, let's go. Let's go eat some breakfast. You want some multigrain cereal and some fruit? All right, come on, let's go.